Clack, clack. Every time you hear this sound, a billion-dollar structure is breathing. If it stops, the bridge explodes. Listen closely. A heavy, rhythmic percussion that echoes through your vehicle. Sudden, mechanical, loud, on purpose. It is not failure, it is function. An expansion joint. Interlocking metal teeth spanning the roadway. Your tires strike the steel edges, creating the percussive clack, while loads transfer smoothly across the gap. Proof the joint is free to move. Flexibility for traffic. Flexibility for temperature. Engineers listen for it. Consider the alternative. A silent joint may look superior, but silence can mean seizure, or a jammed gap, or damage. Then forces have nowhere to go. Cracks begin unseen. Concrete buckles. Steel can even snap. Large, complex steel assemblies, with resilient rubber components, placed at calculated intervals, allowing the bridge to breathe. Every clack says the system works. Movement accommodated. Noise by design. The sound of a living structure. Silence is the warning. Noise is health. A bridge is not static. It is always in slow motion, driven by thermal expansion. Steel expands when heated. Concrete responds too. Piers and columns move. Atoms vibrate further apart. Length increases with heat, about 1/10 per 100 feet per 15 degrees. A 90-degree swing matters. A near mile can grow over 3 feet. It happens every year. Engineers accommodate, not stop it. Gaps that allow movement, like a sidewalk, magnified. Movement managed in increments. No gap means trapped force. Pressure finds weakness. Road can heave dangerously. Supports can be pushed offline. Girders bend sideways. Weak axis, even twist or snap. Catastrophe follows constraint. Joints prevent this. Load transfers across teeth. Seasonal breathing room, movement within design limits. That sound prevents silent failure. Heat expands, cold contracts, small changes add up. Design anticipates totals, spacing dissipates strain. Ends stay intact, bearings free to move. Thermal force, tamed by design, safely, precisely, predictably, across miles, with room to breathe. Every day, all year, in heat and cold. If a gap is needed, why not a straight crack? Because tires meet edges at speed. Sharp impacts damage rubber. For bikes, it can catch a wheel. Engineers use interlocking fingers. 2 combs meeting in the middle. They move as the bridge moves, yet keep a continuous surface. Heat closes the gap. Cold opens it. Teeth lock decks vertically. No dangerous lip forms. Teeth use tough, wear-resistant steels. Geometry spreads stress. Spacing is calculated. Even narrow tires pass safely. It reduces jarring bumps. Predictable, brief impacts. Distributed across spans. Built for decades of load. Welds and anchors hold geometry. Connections must not fatigue. Lock vertically, slide horizontally. Smooth for users, free for structure. A simple gap punishes tires. Comb teeth avoid sharp steps, keeps decks aligned, and the bridge breathing. Profiles are tuned, hotspots resolved. Manufacture within tolerance. Installed to spec, contact managed, protected surfaces, predictable crossing, smooth and safe, by design, by necessity, by detail. And it is only the surface. Below, the guardians. Hidden systems protect the skeleton. The visible teeth are only the tip. Critical parts work below the deck. Seals, troughs, drains. Flexible rubber seals. The trough captures runoff. Snow and salt too. Debris is held back. Everything is channeled. Water and salt attack steel. Bearings can seize. Drains keep girders dry. Piers protected. Ports feed piping. Controlled discharge. Safely away from the works. Seal moves with the joint. Maintenance keeps flow. Tiers are replaced. Repairs are complex, but essential. The teeth protect the skeleton. No contact with critical steel. Movement preserved. Corrosion denied. Materials resist salt. Slopes are deliberate. Hardware is protected. Systems verified. Drips find the trough. Brine is routed away. Above, the clack continues, extending service life. But debris can lock a joint. Forces reroute into the deck. End damage begins. Maintenance is the antidote. Keep it breathing, or the structure pays the price. The greatest threat is debris. Traffic compacts it solid. The joint locks. Force goes into the deck. Cracking and spalling. Bearings overstrain. Girders can buckle. Small rocks. Big costs. Routine inspections. Air to eject debris. Water to flush fines. Manual removal for jams. Check tooth integrity. Verify welds. Find seal failures. Keep drains open. Repairs need access. Seals replaced to stop leaks. Teeth replaced when worn. Freedom of movement verified. Hidden engineering keeps arteries open. That clack is life. The bridge is alive. Remember the teeth beneath your wheels. They protect the skeleton. They keep you safe. Hidden engineering in plain sound. Next time you hear the clack, remember, the bridge is alive.